We are talking about foam lances. And my god, these are so complicated because there's just so much variation you can get in a foam lance. You can get foam lances from £9 right up to like 80, 90, £100. So you kind of start wondering what the hell is going on. And this is the type of situation where paying more doesn't necessarily mean you're getting a better quality product. I've seen cheap lances do a really good job, and I've seen really expensive lances do an absolute rubbish job. It's all about knowing what to look for in a lance and just getting a reputable one. Okay, so let's talk about this lance. Obviously this is a newly developed lance we made because I hated the last one so much. It really started to get on my nerves. The biggest gripe was that 1 litre bottle we had with the tiny neck, which you could never get anything in without it spilling, and then every time you put the lance down, the damn thing would fall over and you'd lose half your snow foam. What a rubbish situation. New bottle, bigger mouth, wider base. So straight off the bat, we got something so much more stable. Secondly, of course, the quick release system. I tell you what I really hated was not helping the people install the adapters onto the lance. Don't mind that, but it was just the absolute faff my customers would have to go through just to get a connector onto their lance. PTFE tape, screw it on, go find a spanner which you probably don't have lying around, get an adjustable one which is too thick to fit into the gap. It was an absolute faff, and then sometimes it would leak because the PTFE tape wasn't put on properly, or it would be wonky at an angle. Again, rubbish system, get rid of it. Quick release system, so much better. You literally get your lance, clip it on, no matter what the situation, it's going to work straight off the bat. Because I feel like enthusiasts are sometimes put off by foam lances because number one, they look complicated. Number two, there's so many different adapters, you don't know what you're doing. We try and make it simple, nice and easy for you to get, plug in and off you go. Other cool features on this lance, obviously we got the fan adjustment, a really high quality plastic, everything's obviously brass inside, really nicely made. Dilution isn't something we tend to use as detailers because we always leave it on max, and then you should be filling up your snow foam and topping off with water, so you're actually diluting here. However, if you want to use neat snow foam and dilute on the fly, totally cool, just spin it, weaker, stronger, really simple. So yeah, lances, just complicated stuff. Paying more does not make anything better. You gotta be buying a lance from a reputable company, just a decent lance, not that old shit.